How AI knows everything. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Hey there, fellow seekers of knowledge. Today, get ready to have your minds blown as we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the mind-boggling capabilities of AI and how it seems to know everything. From predicting your preferences to understanding complex data patterns, AI has become an indispensable part of our lives. But before we embark on this captivating journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell, so you never miss out on our mind-expanding videos. Also, leave a like if you're already amazed by AI's incredible prowess. Now, without further ado, let's unravel the mystery behind how AI knows everything. AI's ability to know everything starts with the enormous power of data. Every time you browse the internet, post on social media, or even shop online, you generate a colossal amount of data. AI algorithms analyze this data to learn about your preferences, interests, and behavior patterns. Imagine having your very own digital assistant who knows exactly what you need even before you do. Whether it's suggesting your next favorite song or predicting which TV series will have you hooked, AI taps into the vast ocean of data to make accurate predictions and recommendations for you. Now, here's where things get truly magical. AI's wizardry lies in its ability to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Enter the realm of machine learning. With complex algorithms and neural networks, AI systems can recognize patterns, make decisions, and adapt their behavior based on previous experiences. By constantly training and fine-tuning the machine learning models, AI can achieve seemingly impossible feats. From recognizing images in a blink of an eye to understanding natural language and even playing strategic games at a superhuman level, it's mind-blowing how AI can surpass human capabilities in certain domains. We live in a world where everything is becoming interconnected. The rise of the Internet of Things has further amplified AI's omniscience. From smart homes filled with intelligent appliances to self-driving cars and even wearable devices, AI is everywhere, constantly gathering information and enriching its knowledge. With billions of devices connected to the Internet, AI can tap into this vast network of information to provide us with personalized experiences, enhanced safety, and unparalleled convenience. The more data it receives, the smarter it becomes, making AI's seemingly infinite knowledge truly awe-inspiring. While AI's all-knowing abilities seem like a technological dream come true, we must also address the ethical considerations surrounding it. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, there are concerns about privacy, data security, and bias in decision-making. It's important to strike a balance between the power of AI and ensuring responsible and transparent usage. By actively shaping the future of AI, we can harness its potential while safeguarding our values and principles. Let's explore the ethical dimensions of AI together and ensure its growth aligns with our shared interests. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.